And the last one is one that I have created myself. So it's called the StoryTap. And here it is, you will see it's very similar to other storytelling framework, because what I did is really try to look at many storytelling framework, and then after try to see a framework which is easier to remember, because StoryTap is tapping into your storytelling ability. So it's very easy to remember, because the issue with most of storytelling framework is that, maybe on the fly you are asked to do a presentation, and if you don't remember, you can say, okay, I have learned many storytelling framework, but I cannot remember right now one storytelling framework. So this is why I created the StoryTap framework. It's just mixing different frameworks, but giving it an acronym that is easy to remember, because there is story literally in the framework. So the first step is set the stage. So here you can see it, set the stage. This is really, I will call it build the context. Okay, so here you really build the context. Then after, you have a trigger a need. This is really where, this is the event I talked about before. So you describe your normal world, and there is a perturbation, something coming, a force that is coming to force literally your main character or your customer to really have a new need that is not fulfilled, and the aim of the story is really to fulfill that need or not in any shape or form. So here it's really trigger a need is I think it's called the inciting event in the movies. I'm not sure. Okay, so trigger a need. And after you trigger a need, can be more counterintuitive, but here is our solution. Meaning that you have said, this is the world, let's say, as it is. So you describe the world, you build the context, and then you say, an asteroid is coming into planet Earth. And the dinosaurs are saying, okay, what can we do? What can we do? And you say, okay, I offer a solution. All the dinosaurs will go in bunkers. There is a bunker on planet Earth before the asteroid hit. So offer a solution is really here. So this is the end destination. But still, you will need to bridge the gap between this first step and, let's say, offer the solution. Meaning that you have said, okay, this is the world, there is a problem, and this is the solution. But it's not sufficient. You have to explain to people how you get from the current world to let's say, to the end destination. And here, and the R stands for reveal obstacles. What it means that you have to create conflict. You have to show that your hero, or in your story, there will be some struggles. So you have to build conflict. So here it's really important. Here is really the conflict part. So this is where you introduce conflict in your story. And as I said, there is no story without conflict, without change.